What if I told you that the seats inside the luxury car didn't start in the factory, but in the wild as a living, breathing snake? Yeah, this is the journey from jungle predator to premium automotive luxury. Deep in the heart of a dense tropical forest, where the air is thick and the ground is alive,
Watch out, it's
hunters
striking!
move carefully.
Get the net over it.
Every step matters
I have the tail.
because
Pull harder.
somewhere in the shadow, a snake awaits. Not just any snake, but one whose skin will eventually sit inside the luxury car, worth thousands of dollars. In a flash of movement, tension explodes.
Watch out, it's
The
striking!
hunter strikes with precision, using skill passed down through
Pull
generations.
harder.
This isn't random, it's controlled, intentional, calculated, because what happens next is the beginning of transformation. The jungle fades behind. Now the snake is secured, placed inside a wooden crate, loaded onto a dusty truck, bouncing along rough road from nature to industry. Villages pass by, smoke rises in the distance, and just like that, the wild has been handed over to machineries. Inside the processing facility, everything changes. The lighting is dim, the air is heavy. Here, skilled workers begin the delicate process of separating the skin, the only part that matters for what comes next. This is where raw nature becomes raw material, not rush, not careless. Every movement is precise because even the smallest damage can ruin the value of the skin. Now, the transformation begins. The skin is washed over and over again. Water splashes across patterned scales as workers stretch and clean every inch. What once moved freely through the white is now laid flat, its beauty becoming more visible than ever. Every pattern, every detail now has purpose. But right now, it's still fragile. So, it enters the most important stage, tanning. Hot vats, chemicals, steam rising into the air. This is where science takes over. The skin soaks, absorbs, and transforms, becoming stronger, more flexible, and built to last. Hours turn into days, and slowly, what was once organic becomes something engineered. Next, the skins are stretched, pulled tight across wooden frames, aligned perfectly. Rows and rows of them fill the room like artwork in progress. Warm air flows continually, removing moisture, looking in shape. Now the pattern looks sharper, cleaner, almost unreal. This is where luxury is created. Some skins keep their natural look, raw, exotic, untouched. Others, they are transformed, sprayed, brushed, refined, deep black, rich brown, costume finish designed to match light interiors. A mist of color fills the air as craftsmanship meets creativity. Now comes accuracy. No mistakes allowed. Using templates, the leather is carefully cut into exact shape. Every piece designed to fit perfectly onto a car seat. Every curve, every edge measured again and again. Because this isn't just leather anymore, it's a component of luxury. The pieces come together. Industrial sewing machine hum loudly as skilled hand guide the material. Needless punch through tough leathers with perfect rhythm, thread by thread, panel by panel. The seat begins to take shape. This is where raw material becomes design. But a seat is more than just leather. Underneath, a metal frame, then foam padding, engineered for comfort. And finally, this neck leather is stretched over it all, pulled together, smoothed out, perfected. Now, it's not just a seat, it's an experience. And just like that, inside the luxury car, under soft ambient lighting, sits the final product. Smooth, detailed, exotic. Most people will never think about where it comes from. They will just feel the comfort, see the beauty, and admire the design. But now you know that behind every stitch, every texture, every detail, there's a journey from the white to the world of luxury. And once you see it, you can't unsee it.